carnivores such as lions, tigers, and wolves. They tear and chew the flesh of other animals. We know this. Carnivore animals like lion, tiger, wolves, leopard, cheetah, they depend on flesh of other animals. For them, specially designed teeth is required to tear the flesh of other animals. Now here, they have 4 long, sharp and pointed teeth to tear the flesh. They have flat back teeth, so this helps them to chew the flesh. You can have a look at here. 4 long, sharp, pointed teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 teeth like in the upper jaw, 2 teeth in the lower jaw. So these are modified canine teeth. 2 sharp in the upper jaw, 2 sharp teeth in the lower jaw. They help to tear the flesh of other animals. Okay, these are canine teeth. Remember, C-A-N-I-N-E. Then, so like at the back, they have premolars or molar teeth, which will help to chew the flesh. Okay, premolars and molars. Canine teeth will help to tear the flesh. Premolars or molar teeth, they help to chew the flesh. Canine, premolar, molar, it is not mentioned in your book. When you go to the next class, you're going to learn about them. So this is the difference. In the case of a herbivore, they had sharp and broad front teeth. Here you can have a look at. It is modified incisor teeth. I-N-C-I-S-O-R. They help to bite off the grass. Whereas in the case of carnivores, they have long, sharp and pointed teeth. Like here you can have a look at. Mainly to tear the flesh. Snakes do not chew their food. Though they have teeth that will help to inject venom or poison. If it is a poisonous snake, it will help to inject the poison into that animal that it eats. Suppose if it is trying to catch a rat or mouse, it will inject the poison into that rat or mouse. Otherwise, the teeth present in snake will help to grab the food. Means it will help to hold that animal, rat or mouse, to hold the animal during swallowing. Some of them can swallow animals bigger than their own head. Snakes have small mouth. When they have to swallow a large animal, their jaws open out and the mouth becomes very big. Okay, some of them can swallow animals bigger than own head. Good example is snakes. The head or mouth region of snake, it is very small. Still they can swallow a large animal. How it is possible? During swallowing, their jaws open out. Jaws are actually present up as well as below the mouth. Above as well as below the mouth, jaws are actually present. The jaws of the snake will open out and the mouth becomes very big. You might have seen even a python swallowing a deer. The mouth of python is not as big of deer. Still it will swallow even medium-sized deer. So that is mainly because the mouth of the python will enlarge, mainly because of its jaws. The upper and lower jaw will expand, swallowing the large animal. Okay, so if they ask you a question, name the animal which is having small mouth, still it can swallow animal bigger than their own head. Your answer should be snakes. Then, lizards and frogs swallow their food without chewing. Lizards and frogs. You can have a look at one example for a lizard. So this is chameleon or chameleon, catching an insect here. Okay, lizard and frog, they can swallow their food without chewing. They do not chew the food. Lizard as well as frog. A frog has a long and sticky tongue. A frog is having a long and sticky tongue. You can have a look at here. Long and sticky tongue is actually present even in the case of chameleon also. It is also present in the case of frog. Okay, long and sticky tongue. So it is used to catch the insects. A chameleon also has a long tongue and uses it in the same way. Even here in this particular picture they have given a chameleon catching an insect. It has got a long and the tip region is sticky. So quickly it will place the tongue out and it will catch the insect. Same manner even frog can also catch the insect. A mosquito has a sharp and hollow tube in its mouth. It stabs you with this and sucks your blood in the same way you drink using a straw. Here they have given the picture of mosquito. Mosquito is having one pointed structure. It is called as proboscis. We are going to learn one pointed structure it has. With the help of that, it will stab. Stab means it will prick our skin. Then it will suck the blood from our body. So with the help of proboscis, the pointed structure, it is very similar to how we drink a juice by using straw. Same manner, mosquito with the help of that pointed structure, what it is called as proboscis, a sharp and hollow tube. With the help of that, like a straw, it will drink the blood. Okay, then a butterfly's mouth is like a long and hollow tube. Similar way, even butterfly also contains same like hollow tube like structure. It sucks nectar from flower. You know what is nectar, right? A sweet substance produced by the flower that is being sucked by butterflies and many insects including bees, honeybee also. Okay, butterfly is also having long and hollow tube. It will suck the nectar from flower with the help of long and hollow tube. Both the structure, the hollow tube like structure present in mosquito as well as butterfly, it is called proboscis. It's given here, Proboscis, proboscis. The tube like mouth of a butterfly is called proboscis. Same structure is present even in mosquito also. Then turtles and tortoise, they do not have teeth. Remember, turtles and tortoise, they do not have teeth. Usually turtles are found in saline water, sea water, whereas tortoise is actually found in fresh water. Fresh water means like river, pond, where salt content is less. So tortoise will live in that place, and tortoise is having 4 legs, proper legs it will have. Tortoise 4 legs, whereas in the case of turtle, front to hand, okay, what we call arms, so that is modified into a flap like structure. In the case of turtle, turtle is bigger compared to tortoise, remember. Okay, tortoise, it actually uses front to arm, it is called as forelimbs. Okay, the back 2 legs, it is actually called as hind limbs. You will be learning when you go to the next class. It is having like all those structures in a proper condition. It can walk easily. Whereas turtle, it has the front 2 arms, what we call like forelimb, it is modified to form a flap like structure so that it can help in swimming in sea water. At the end of this lesson, we have studied plants make their own food, while animals cannot make their own food. Only plants can prepare their own food, animals cannot prepare their own food. Herbivores are animals that eat only plants. Carnivores are animals that eat other animals like lion, tiger. Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals like us, humans. A food chain shows which animal eats what in nature. Animals have different eating habits. They have mouth parts that are suited to their eating habits. All these points we have studied in this particular chapter.